Stocks our strategists feel are poised to deliver positive returns are featured now in their top stock picks of the week.
We're going to talk about a chemical company and a company with a very clear solution on how you can straighten your teeth with Shiraz Mian and Kevin Cook in this edition of Top Stock Picks. Now, you have the chemical company.
Yes, I do. It's called the Chemours Company, ticker CC. It's a $7.5 billion market cap leader in the titanium dioxide market, which is a chemical way of saying that product goes into plastics and coatings and paints and a whole bunch of other primary products. Chemours is relatively new as a public company, but it has a long and storied history as part of DuPont. DuPont spun them off in the summer of 2015. Immediately was hit by short sellers. The stock went down 60–70% to February 2016, and then the improved outlook for the U.S. and the global economy and the fundamental strength of its business started getting acknowledged in the market, and it has been an amazing performer since then. The stock is up about 80% this year, but still trades at a discount to the peer chemicals group on most conventional valuation metrics. They had an amazing quarterly result recently. The outlook for titanium dioxide and many of their other key products, about 45% of revenue comes from titanium dioxide. The outlook is improving, really strong. Estimates are going up. It's a Zacks rank #1, VGM score of A. So an amazing story. Some folks may be a little bit shy of touching the stock, given how strong a run-up it has had lately. But the continued momentum on estimates front, the valuation discount to the peer group, and given the fact that we are perhaps at best at mid-cycle level in the chemical cycle, gives me confidence to promote this name and recommend it to others. I still see plenty of upside. The one negative that I do need to point out is that when DuPont spun them off, they gave them a ton of debt. So balance sheet has been relatively on the heavy side, but with the business outlook improving and cash flows getting stronger, I don't see any reason why they shouldn't be able to pay that down.
They've had a pretty good average positive surprise over the last 4 quarters.
Absolutely. The estimates for this year and next have gone up in excess of 50%. Over the last 2 to 3 months, so very strong estimate revision
This is
strength.
the chemical play I wish I would have picked. I picked another chemical company that's just went sideways, really nowhere, because lower oil prices didn't help them, it hurt them with their pricing.
Okay, so it's more on the petrochemical side. Okay.
All right, Kevin, give us the clear, straight scoop on Align Technology.
Yes, Align Technology. I wrote about it for Bull of the Day yesterday. And I actually own it for the new Healthcare Innovators portfolio.
Okay.
Just another stunning quarter where they make the clear implants, the clear braces, so to speak, or they
the Invisalign.
Yeah, Invisalign is the brand name. And I remember seeing people wear these in 2008, 2009. I thought, that's a fad. It's not a fad.
No.
Their sales are just growing so nice here. They're just consistently 25% grower right now.
Yeah.
Let's just take a look at my my estimates page here. So I'm looking at sales estimates for the current year. They're going to hit 1.35 billion. That's 25% growth. Forecast into next year, 1.62 billion for 20% growth. And the earnings estimates you can see down here, 35% growth this year, 20% growth next year. Those estimates will go up. Here's the thing. There was a question about they're going to lose the patent, and there's going to be some new movers, some new competition. 3M's going into the space. Dentsply is going into the space. But the analysts I've read think that this is one of those sweet spot situations where new competition will only make things better for Align by creating better brand awareness. They're the brand leader,
Right.
and most people don't even think about the clear braces. So as dentists adopt the technology more, and then people go to their dentist and say, hey, I want that. I want to try the clear braces to straighten my teeth. That awareness is going to just expand the potential. And the other thing is the international opportunity here. So the shipments are only going to keep going up as they go into Europe, emerging markets. And the Zacks rank has pegged this stock for a long time. I went back and looked at the Zacks rank history. We have been solidly buy or strong buy on this stock since the first quarter of last year, when it was 75 bucks.
Wow.
And now you're looking at 135, 140 right here. So this story is not over, as they get international expansion and people become more aware of this solution.
All right, well, we will brace ourselves to see how this all turns out. Aside from your services, do you own either of these companies?
No.
No.
All right. Don't forget, there is a lot more information on our website about stocks. There's commentary, there's stock picks, stock picking strategies, data, and more. So get on over to Zacks.com and check it all out for yourself. With Shiraz and Kevin, I'm Terry Ruffalo.